Hey friends, let me present to you a future not unlike our own, where you're at Walmart at 3 a.m. because you know your wife just had a baby and you need to pick up the groceries for the week, but you haven't had any time during the day to do it because you're working a long job. You get home at 8 p.m., the baby cries, so you have to stay awake with it to give your wife some rest, and then it's time to go grab those Cheez-Its that you wanted, as long as all of the, little sandwich meats that you need. And you hear this whirring, and it gets closer and closer and louder, and you turn around and then right there in your face is Walmart's new robot staring you right into the soul. And apparently, you know what it's there for? It's there to clean the freaking floors, because it's been announced that Walmart is going to be deploying a whole bunch of autonomous robots to their stores across the United States, including 1,500 autonomous floor cleaners, 300 shelf scanners, and an additional 1,200 fast unloaders to scan and sort items as they come off the delivery truck. And while two of them are okay, like the shelf scanners and the unloaders, you're never gonna see those are behind the scenes. It's those freaking cleaning ones that they launch at night, where it's 24 hours in Walmart and this giant thing that's taller than you comes buzzing down the aisle, and you know some miscreant's gonna take some knives from the kitchen aisle, slap them onto the little cleaner on the bottom, and it's gonna start cutting people's soles on their feet. And you don't want that, I don't want that, but robots taking over the country, taking over Walmart's, taking people's jobs, and it's a dystopian reality that we're all looking forward to as we grab our Lunchables at 3:15 a.m. because we forgot to get them and we were at the checkout line. We had to go back. What do you think? Let me know of your robot comments down below. Hit the like button for this hot take. Get subscribed to this hot news channel in case you want more deep dives like this or any of our exclusive content that we might release on here in the future. I'm Brett with the Hot News channel, and we'll see your smiling faces again in the next video. Love you too.